Let's build a starting five of the best defensive players of all time.
Give me Victor Wembanyama at my 4.
All right, give me Kawhi.
Give me give me Kobe and Jordan.
He won. Draft over.
Exactly. Let me lock up a real point guard. Let me get Gary Payton.
I'm gonna go Scottie Pippen at the 3.
I thought he was gonna fall. Not gonna lie, I thought this next time around I was gonna be able to get him.
I'm gonna move Wemby down to the 5, and then I'm gonna put Dennis Rodman at the 4.
Give me Bill Russell at my center.
I'm gonna go Draymond at my 5, Giannis at my 4.
Can I change my center pick?
Sure.
I'm gonna swap my center to Dwight Howard, and then for my actual pick this round, I'm gonna go Tim Duncan at my power forward.
Give me Mr. Triple Double himself, Oscar Robertson at the 1.
Oh, you cooked. Get this nigga out of here.
You tweaking,
Hey.
boy. Check them steal numbers. Check them steal numbers. Give me TA. Give me Tony Allen at my 2.
Yeah.
Give me LeBron James at my 3.